Well, we're very lucky. Lockdown was finally lifted on us today, last night. So this has given us an opportunity to get stuck into the playground area. So we've had some more progress out here. At the moment it's going to look like just a heap of poles, and we've got lots of bracing and pegs going on. So hopefully you can see the sun's in our eyes. Turn around here. So this is going to be our smaller tower, which is going to have a small slide on that side coming down through there off the platform, and then it's going to have a ramp that goes up through here to the bigger platform, which is up here. Some of it's concreted in. Some we haven't finished yet. So this side of the platform is going to have a platform across here at this tower at 1200, and it's going to have some stairs coming down here to climb up, and then we're going to have the ramp up to the higher tower. The higher tower up here has got a big tube slide which is going to circle down to the ground here, come down here. This over here is the swing set, and then we're going to have some trees along the back here, which I've got currently in the nursery. They're an evergreen screening tree, which doesn't get too wide, so it's going to be planted right across the back here with rocks along as a border. And then on this wall here we've got the golden glow pears, which are going to go all the way along here as a garden. So rocks will run all the way along here to separate the sand and the garden. So rocks all through here and then across around to there and curve in there. And the pears here will eventually get up to about 15 meters tall, but we'll probably cut them off just about above the height of the solar panels there. And they're going to provide awesome shade for this whole area in summer, and then they'll lose their leaves and provide plenty of light through winter. So yeah, this section under the swings over there is going to be all mulch and bark, and then through the center of this empty area we've got a huge climbing log, which I've had for a while, which is a beautiful red gum log. So it's going to sit here to climb through, and then a concrete pipe to crawl through. And then this half of the playground here will all be sand pit with some play equipment in it as well. So lots of ideas. I'm stoked that we finally got some posts and some action here. Looks like posts everywhere and lots of mess, but when all the braces come down and the formwork and we finish the concreting on Monday, we'll be able to start on the actual construction of these towers and the platforms. We've got a turret to go on top, and some more features which I'll show you once they arrive. And yeah, very excited because the view from the large platform looks over the whole yard, as you can see there, and from the opposite direction looks over Lake Burrumbeet, which is fabulous. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll catch up with you next week once we've had a bit more of an update.